In today's episode, I'm going to show you the 10 routines to plan in your planner to be more productive. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show. Here I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so you can handle whatever life throws at you. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos and podcasts every single week. You can also shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. Thank you to our patrons and channel members for supporting this episode. Now let's get into it. Are you prepared and ready to increase your level of productivity? Then you're at the right video. Finding practical strategies to increase productivity is more crucial than ever in the fast-paced world of today. And you know what? I have the exact answer you've probably been looking for. Here are 10 daily activities that will increase your productivity. Imagine being enthusiastic, focused, and even prepared to take on your goals head-on every morning. It sounds pretty good, right? I'm here to teach you exactly how. I'll show you how to change your daily routines and boost your productivity every day, from your easy morning rituals to your effective nighttime routines. Are you ready and prepared to let go of procrastination and realize your greatest potential? Let's get started and find out how to unleash your productive potential. Tip 1, tap into your inner resources to enter a state of flow. Tip 1, tap into your inner resources to enter a state of flow. When our minds and bodies are totally absorbed in our work, we achieve a state of flow, a profound sense of satisfaction. When you're in the zone, even when the going gets tough and the world around you appears to disappear, time flies by and you don't even realize it. When you face your greatest obstacles with all your might, you enter a state of flow, according to Martin Seligman. Finding your skills is the first step in making more of these high-quality moments happen throughout the day. That way, you can create additional chances to put them to use. Tip 2, establish an area to work in. In order to maximize efficiency, attention, and concentration, it is vital to establish a specific area to study and work. While it may seem a bit tempting to work or even study in the coziest spaces, remember that these areas are often linked to leisure and relaxation, which may make it a bit tough to focus and even stay disciplined. By reserving a certain room in your home or even a cozy corner, you can mentally and physically separate your professional life from your active life, which will help you concentrate and get more done overall. Workspaces should be places where people can concentrate without any interruptions if possible, whether that's a specific room in your home, a corner in the living room, or even a peaceful part in your bedroom. Comfort, ergonomics, and organization should be your top priority when designing your office space. This will help you stay productive and healthy, invest in a supportive chair and an ergonomic desk arrangement to lessen the likelihood of back pain and any other aches or pains, and maintain a clean and organized work area to help you stay concentrated and focused. And try your best to maintain a clean and organized work area to help you concentrate. Establishing limits and rituals that aid in maintaining a good work-life balance is just as essential as constructing a physical workspace. Work or study periods should have distinct beginning and ending hours. And you should take breaks often to rejuvenate yourself. Get the most out of your time and energy by establishing a designated work area and setting reasonable limits for yourself. Tip 3, start your day phone-free. Resisting the temptation to reach for your phone first in the morning may seem daunting in today's digital age, but the benefits of this simple practice are enormous. When you wake up and immediately immerse yourself in the digital whirlwind of notifications, emails, and so many social pop-ups, you subject your mind to a barrage of information before it has the chance to fully awake. This onslaught of stimuli can leave you feeling overwhelmed and mentally scattered, setting a chaotic tone for the rest of your day. Instead, consider beginning your day with a few moments of mindfulness and even tranquility. Take a deep breath if you can, stretch your body, or even spend a few minutes jotting down your to-do list. This intentional pause allows you to ease into your day gradually, fostering a sense of calm and clarity that primes your mind for productivity and what you need to get done. Refraining from immediately engaging with your phone reclaims control over your morning routine and sets a positive precedent for the day ahead. Rather than being reactive to external things, you cultivate an inner sense of peace and focus that empowers you to approach your task with intention and clarity. Tip 4, build a regular sleep schedule. Despite being crucial for general health and well-being, quality sleep is frequently overlooked in our fast-paced culture. A regular sleep pattern, which involves going to bed and getting up at the same time each day, helps you manage your body's internal clock and encourages more restful, revitalizing sleep. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule can support your body's circadian rhythm, which is a natural sleep-wake cycle. Your body thrives on routine, so give it that. Your body becomes accustomed to anticipating sleep when you regularly go to bed and wake up at the same time, which makes it simpler to fall asleep and wake up feeling rejuvenated. Finding a sleep schedule that fits your circadian rhythm is absolutely essential to maximizing both the quantity and quality of your overall sleep, regardless of your preference for morning or even nighttime sleep. Try a variety of bedtimes and wake up hours until you discover a routine that enables you to wake up each morning feeling alert and rejuvenated. Establishing a comfortable sleep environment that encourages relaxation and regenerative sleep is just as crucial as sticking to a regular sleep routine. To let your body know it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep, keep your bedroom quiet, dark, and cold. You should also avoid screens and other stimulating activities just before bed if you can. Tip 5, make a well-ordered schedule. Maximizing output and reaching your objectives depend on effective time management. Strategic planning is therefore the pillar of good time management. Spend some time organizing and prioritizing your daily activities to set yourself up for success and reduce interruptions and distractions. First, make a to-do list including every chore and activity you have to undertake during the course of your busy day. Divide more complex undertakings into smaller, more doable chores and rank them according to need and urgency. This kind of organization helps you to be focused and clear, as it guarantees just what has to be done and when. After you have developed your to-do list schedule time for every chore considering your attention, focus, and peak energy levels. Plan less demanding chores for times when your energy level is low and more difficult for demanding work, for times when you feel most awake and efficient. Apart from organizing your responsibilities, you should schedule time for leisure and breaks to avoid burnout and preserve a good work-life balance. Plan time for things that make you happy and fulfilled outside of work, education, and of course include quick breaks throughout your day to re-energize and revitalize yourself. Strategic daily planning helps you to set yourself up for success and to empower you to maximize your time and energy. Having well-defined objectives, priorities, and set time limits in place can help you confidently and effectively negotiate your day, therefore enabling more in less time and under less stress. Tip 7, make breakfast a priority for fuel. With good cause, breakfast is frequently praised as the most important meal of the day. Your body requires a nutritional boost after a night of fasting in order to boost your metabolism and provide steady energy throughout your very busy morning. It might be hard to focus and even perform at your best when you skip breakfast, since it leaves you feeling a bit agitated, drowsy, and of course a bit hazy as well. To stay full and energized throughout your day, choose breakfast items that include a balance of healthy fats, protein, and even carbs. Nutritious options that may power your body and mind for the day include whole grain cereals, protein waffles, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, eggs if they're affordable, and fruit smoothies. Breakfast not only gives you bodily sustenance, but also gives you a mental boost by telling your brain it's time to move and get up. You can set a positive tone for the day and prepare your body and mind for success by making the time to have a healthy breakfast every morning. Tip 8, make note of new concepts daily. Is the sheer number of ideas too much for you? Another possibility is that you're never really in a position to have any. The ones I'm interested in don't seem to be good enough to pursue. It becomes a natural way to brainstorm, no strings attached, when you do it daily. Simply immerse yourself in the practice and let your creative juices flow. Regardless of how good or bad your ideas are, please don't feel obligated. During your recovery time, when you are ready to think deeply about anything, this is a great practice to do. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition. now available at Amazon, helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 9, start regular reading, a timeless hobby with many advantages for your cognitive ability, emotional stability, and personal development is with reading. Whether your taste is fiction or even nonfiction, literature or magazines, reading offers a great chance to grow your knowledge, boost your imagination, and a chance to travel into so many different types of worlds. Reading helps one improve focus, concentration, and attention to detail, qualities that are among its main advantages. Immersion in a book or article activates your brain in a sophisticated cognitive process, needing constant attention and mental effort. Regular reading builds neural pathways linked with comprehension, critical thinking, and analytical reasoning over time, so improving your aptitude and agility as a thinker. Moreover, reading exposes you to so many viewpoints, concepts, and experiences, so enhancing your knowledge of the world and strengthening your sympathy and compassion of other people. Reading can present countless chances for intellectual enrichment and personal development. Whether your interests are in nonfiction books, challenging your presumptions and broadening your horizons, for a work of fiction, transporting you off to far-off places. Set aside specific time every day to lose yourself in a book, magazine, or article so you can include reading into your regular schedule. Make reading a top priority in your calendar and enjoy the many benefits it presents for your mind, body, and soul, whether it's during your lunch break, morning drive, or before bed. Tip 10, look your best on your big day. What you wear greatly affects your state of mind, attitude, and actions, shaping your outlook and approach to each day. Although it may seem little, clothing for success may enhance your self-assurance, drive, and efficiency, enabling you to give your utmost and accomplish all your objectives. Dressing in a way that boosts your self-esteem and makes you feel strong and capable sends a strong message that you are prepared to face the day head-on. Dressing in a way that boosts your self-esteem and makes you feel strong and capable sends a strong message that you are prepared to face the day ahead. Pick up clothes that flatter your figure, whether it's a stylish suit for a business meeting, exercise clothes for an athleisure session, or casual clothing for running errands. Getting dressed for success does more than just make you look better. It also helps you feel a bit more organized and confident throughout your day. By getting ready for work or an important occasion first thing in the morning, you tell your brain it's time to switch gears from pleasure to work and establish a distinct border between the two. Additionally, dressing professionally can improve your trustworthiness and professional image overall, which in turn can improve your connections and interactions with people. Dressing correctly and professionally helps you to establish trust and rapport with people. Whether you're attending a job interview, meeting with clients, or cooperating with coworkers, it expresses respect, competence, and professionalism. Bonus tip if you made it this far into this episode. Get yourself organized so you can easily reboot and refocus. Some days, no matter how careful we are, just do not turn out the way we expected it to. Having a structure in place that may assist you in getting back on track is beneficial since life occurs and, well, children exist. To assist you in regaining your concentration, here are a few things. On a physical level, you can take a quick walk, fit in a high-impact workout, drink plenty of water, and of course, try your best to eat healthy. In your mind, you may want to meditate, read a chapter, review your daily goals, or reflect on your success. In times of extreme task overload, I find it helpful to do a focus finder. Jot down all the thoughts and feelings associated with any aspect of your life, including work, money, and personal relationships, in addition to reviewing all of the notes till the allotted 50 minutes have passed. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, tap into your inner resources to enter a state of flow. Tip 2, establish an area to work in. Tip 3, start your day phone free. Tip 4, build a regular sleep schedule. Tip 5, meditate for mental clarity. Tip 6, make a well-ordered schedule. Tip 7, make breakfast a priority for fuel. Tip 8, make note of new concepts daily. Tip 9, start regular reading. Tip 10, look your best on your big day. And a bonus tip, get yourself organized. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspective plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.